You can upload your videos one by one, but another thing that you can do is upload out your videos in batch all at once as well. So to do that, just like when you upload one particular video, you can go around and click on the create button and click on upload videos, or click on upload video button right here. So once you do that, here you notice that it says select files. That means you can select more than one video file to upload. So once I go around and click right here, you can navigate around to the folder where you have your videos right here, just like this. So you can go around, hold shift on your keyboard and select out everything as per how you like. So once you do that, you can see that there's a picture over here as well. I don't want pictures, so I'm going to hold control and select them to deselect them out right there. So I have selected all of the video files, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and I'll click on the open button. So once I do that, what happens is that the batch upload option opens up, as you can see right here, and you can see the progress of the video uploads over here, just like this as well. So the videos are uploaded one by one, as you can see, just like this, and then it can be edited. So now in order to edit the detail of each of the video, you can click on the edit button right here to access that particular video, or you can go around onto content and access out the uploaded videos from over here as well. And the one which are uploaded in batch, you don't directly get to add in details to it, but they are all saved as draft, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can upload out videos in batch inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.